Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Nvidia as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.11. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.39%. This equates to an average return of 0.28% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper range of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a pullback toward the lower part of the trend is likely. A breakout above the upper trend line at $139.86 would signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 17.79% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -8.57% to 19.92%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of -0.99%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary from -32.20% to 7.26% over the next year. This would place the future price somewhere between $93.14 and $147.35. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Nvidia stock after gaining 1.67%. The Nvidia stock price gained 1.67% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, rising from $135.13 to $137.38. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.99%, with a day low at $135.42. And a day high of $138.11. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, showing a gain of 1.46% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 129 million shares, with a total of 195 million shares bought and sold for approximately $26.74 billion. It's important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $153.13, while the lowest was $86.62. Currently, the price stands at 10.29%, or $15.75, below the 52-week high, and 38.39%, or $85.60, below the all-time high on the 15th of January, 2018. When the price reached $222.98. Nvidia has recently reaffirmed its leadership position in the booming artificial intelligence sector, signaling strong growth potential. With a price target increase from Bank of America, now set at $180, many investors view NVDA as a key player in the tech landscape. Wedbush analyst Dan Ives predicts all-time highs for technology stocks, suggesting that Nvidia could reach $250, fueled by robust demand for artificial intelligence. Despite the current modest 2.3% year-to-date return, Nvidia's strategic initiatives, including the development of a China-specific AI chip, position the company to capitalize on the growing market. Chinese cloud providers are showing strong interest in United States AI hardware, which bodes well for Nvidia amidst trade challenges. Additionally, Nvidia's significant investment in CoreWeave enhances its market positioning, allowing it to sell more chips to a crucial partner. In the short term, these developments are likely to drive increased investor confidence, potentially pushing NVDA's stock higher. In the long term, as artificial intelligence continues to integrate into various sectors, Nvidia's revenue and earnings growth should remain robust, supporting an upward trajectory in its stock price. Ultimately, Nvidia's strategic relevance in the AI space and its financial resilience may lead to sustained investor interest and value appreciation in the coming quarters. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned NVDA a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On the same day, Wedbush rated NVDA as outperform, also recommending a hold action. Additionally, on Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, Morgan Stanley provided an overweight rating for NVDA alongside a hold action. Citigroup, on the same day, awarded NVDA a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Lastly, Barclays gave NVDA an overweight rating along with a hold action on Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 1.3%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, Nvidia stock also displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, offering a positive outlook. Moreover, there is an overall buy signal due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, support can be expected at $135.16 and $119.81. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 40 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 28 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $114.33 and $114.06. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $114.33. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $114.06 and $107.57. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.69 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.99%. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 2.93%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or suggest that investors anticipate robust growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 27th of August, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are set at 98 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $139.19. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $114.33. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 21st of March, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. conducted an insider sale of 1,900 shares of common stock. On the 21st of March, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. conducted an insider sale of 2,300 shares of common stock. On the 21st of March, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock. On the 19th of March, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. conducted an insider sale of 5,689 shares of common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Shah RTS conducted an insider sale of 2,300 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 53.759. Overall, insiders purchased 1,811,784 shares and sold 8,523,220 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $132.48, reflecting a decline of 3.57%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal emerging from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Nvidia stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, we anticipate Nvidia will open lower by 410 of a dollar, starting at $136.97. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.